out of you.
Hey!
Mike?
Yeah, I'm not sure. What about all we'll have to chip some into that, won't we?
Yeah, Darren's got quite similar half a tank. Darren just hit half of his tank, Darren.
No, I've never ever fucking run out before, ever. Can't believe it.
Oh, anything else go wrong? I know. Can you use that? I've got one. My breather pipe. Yeah. I've gone out. What? She's gone out. She's got one, it's going out. He's right, we're going to get some out of there, isn't it? Into this bottle! Darren, pour some into this bottle out of yours! You're fucking half the tank, dude! You got fucking shit loads! How are we doing it? It's not going to be, it's not going to be thingy enough, is it?
No, you can't let it down,
it won't, it's not long enough. Right, put the stand off. So I can put the stand down and balance it over on the stand.
Back end up. Steady on.
Slowly. Go on, it's coming. Go on. 1 inch. Pursue it. Coming out here, let's take a bit more. That's it, look at that. Let's take a bit more.
Keep that back end up, boys.
No. Go on, bit more. What's up?
It's just lifting now, it needs to be.
Right, we've got half a bottle, that'll get you there.
Yeah, what?
Right, we're full.
Right, mine will need some.
Mine might as well. Right, which side do you pick up on? So you can put it in between back over and put it in my side, right?
Right side. Don't put more than half in then, and then he can have some. Or you can have some. Yeah?
So you've got a bit. Who needs some? Anyone else need some?
Yeah, that needs some. I'm alright, I think. You load.
Open it up, I'll put you half of that in and I'll have the other half.
Very little helps, as you say.
Well, that's it, innit? A bit more. Yeah, Mike's out. Put that tube back in my bag, please.
Yeah.
Top it down. Yeah, put this bottle back as well. It's Mike with the problem, he was already out. Oh boy. There you go. Oh, I was putting it on there. Some people just want everything, don't they? Oh, let's see how far we get. Thank you.
There's one.
I can't see it yet.
Must be near now. Right,
Right, that'll do us, that'll do us.
Right, stop. Put it down.
Jesus Christ.
Fucking hell. I need to put it on the other side of mine, don't I?
On left side, don't you?
Yeah.
I'll just pour some in and then tip it over. I don't know how much I've got, but I'm just gonna fucking risk it.
Just serve as a teeny bit.
Fuel rationing.
I've never heard you.
What?
I said save him a bit.
Save it? Oh shit. Oh man, you'll be alright.
Toy anyway.
He's off in front. He's got the fucking tow
Go
rope.
on and throw it in then.
No,
We'll make it. Well, we'll try.
Oh, car come in.
I've got toy rope.
Positively loads in here now.
Hello, baby. Fucking hell, what a day.
We just filled our cans back up, we just on our way back up when you got turned up. Fucking hell, honestly. 30 mile an hour. Coasting down hills.
That's what I was doing. Turning it off, coasting down, then when it stopped, fucking starting it again.
Did you have to borrow it? What did you make it?
I borrowed a little bit.